In front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. All you need to do is select one of your apps you wish to use in this view on the top half of your screen and launch it in the background. Then tap on the icon of it available at the top. Select split screen and tap on a second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, you can either hold those three dots in the middle and drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down, then hit home button, or you can go into background apps again and swipe both of them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!